How to enable or turn on auto translations on TikTok. In order to turn on the auto translations on TikTok, first of all, you have to launch TikTok on your mobile device. In order to launch the TikTok on your mobile device, first of all, you have to tap on TikTok on your mobile device. After that, you can see the home screen like this. Now you have to go to the profile section on the TikTok. In order to go to the profile section on the TikTok, you have to tap on the down left corner. After that, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the three lines on the top. Just tap on it. Now you have to go to the option of settings and privacy. After that, you have to scroll down until you find the option of content and display. After that, you have to go to the option of language. After tapping on language, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of the translation language. Mine is English. You can set to any other language by just tapping on translation language and choosing the language that you want. After you have chosen the language that you want to translate to, you can go back. And now you have to enable the option of always show translation, which is in the down section of translation language. You can enable it by clicking on that, or you can also disable it. To enable it, you have to click on that and a blue icon will be shown like this. So after you follow these steps, your video translation can be seen in the video that you want to see. So this way, your very problem will be solved.
Thank you for watching the video, and if you like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.